Welcome guys. We are back today to work on the 6.4, getting it ripped out hopefully, and yeah, I guess we'll just hop right into it. Hey, so this is where we are right now. Hood is off. The remainder of the stuff underneath, such as the tranny, all that stuff is off now. I got the cooler lines. I got all the electronics underneath there. Sorry, that light is bright. I got the transfer case taken out. It is sitting right there. And what else is there? We got off the hood, obviously. No more hood. It is on the ground right there. And what else did I do today? Just little things here and there. Ground cables, more AC lines, some coolant lines that I had to take off because of the AC lines. So the plan for the AC is actually we're going to leave it all hooked up. We're going to undo the condenser. We're going to leave all the piping, the radiator, obviously all that stuff hooked up to the truck itself. So we can just pull the engine and transmission out at once and kind of, once we get the new motor in, just connect it. Because I'm planning on using the Ford AC condenser. So that means is I can keep the rest of this setup and just use it because it's already Ford. I'm not sure if the DCS kit includes that. I think you have to use the Dodge AC compressor, I think. We're getting some custom brackets made for that, and along with the alternator, we're going to use the Ford alternator, Ford AC condenser, and potentially Ford steering box. I don't know yet, but I didn't record much for today because it was all just bolts, wires, stuff like that, simple stuff, you know. So I didn't think I'd record it. This is day 2 right now. Again, nighttime. This is day 2. It's about 10 o'clock, 10:30 I think right now. And the engine bolts are out. Transmission bolts are out. I am extremely dirty. Wow. Anyways, engine mounts, tranny mount on the cross member. All the bolts are out basically, so this engine should be ready to just get out of here. Never mind. There's like the cross member right there. There's a block, and then there's the tranny on top. And I guess the block is now separated from the tranny.
sacrifice the brake line.
Oh, hey Chris.
Oh, it was under the tire like an hour ago. I thought it was still under there. I was like,
Oh, she's pissing. Whew. Yeah, we should probably do that. Put it back on. Maybe let it drain out first. Well, there we go. Looks a little emptier in there. Holy shit. And there was a few chunks of metal in here. What else do we got in here? My wrench. I guess that's the big one anyways. Yeah. That's not supposed to be in there. Wow. There's a lot of oil in here, like.
It's probably because it was so slanted that all the oil was so behind the drink.
Yeah.
So black.
Oh no. I guess I'm missing a wheel.
I thought you knew about that.
I thought I taped it back on.
Well,
I've been using it this whole time without a wheel.
Yeah.
Have there was a dolly. What's his name? Sam. Oh, come look at this.
Those flakes or what?
Look around the hole there.
Yeah, there's small chunks of a ring.
Yep, that's what I found that I did the oil change there. Ooh. It's kind of hard to see with my black fingers, but. Ooh, there's more. That's like a whole piston ring. Yep. That would be why it has no pressure, compression. Huh. That's cool. Go on the ball. That's where she's getting strapped to.
Yeah, hopefully old. Have one over it.
Well, the motor is out, finally. AC system is left in there. It's pretty empty in here, if I do say so myself. There's the motor right there, and the transmission. And yeah, the Cummins will be right at home here. So, pretty excited for this. We're definitely gonna clean it up right now because there is some nasty oil and everything just caked in there. But yeah, so now this is where we are. Got a bunch of stuff to clean up too. Got to roll it inside after I clean it, but yeah, this is awesome. Motor's out. All right, we got a pressure washer, and hopefully the water lines on the house aren't frozen. Oh, we're gonna check that out right now. Man, there's something in my boot. I've been in there frickin' all day. These are my clean pants, and I already got them dirty. There we go, much better. Let's go find this hose. This one's frozen in the ground, but oh, perfect, they're connected. Where's the other end? I hear it moving. There's water in there. I don't think that's from us though. Oh, maybe it's the kinks in it that I got. We got water. Not a lot, but we do have some. Well, let's take this hose over here and see if we can get some water. Damn. This green hose is pretty long. I might even be able just to use that one. Probably not. I'm gonna sort this stuff out and we'll get back to it. Well, I definitely just soaked myself. But I guess that's what you get for leaving the water on. Trying to leave the water on and plug it in at the same time. Doesn't really work. Almost. What is this? All right, we're ready to go. Gotta turn it on first. Now it's on. Wasn't expecting this to be the best pressure washer with electric, but I think it's definitely gonna work to get most of just the big stuff off. I'm not too worried about it, honestly, but this is the best we got here. Forgot some bolts were up here. It's getting dark out, but we'll also do the radiator for the AC. That was wet. And now I got a dirt spot on my forehead. Alright, so I think that's it for this episode today. We obviously have the motor and tranny out, thankfully. I can't believe the chunks of piston and the rings that we found in that motor. But the thing still ran. That thing's squawking at me. The motor still ran, which was the craziest part. Like it ran, it sounded like it just had a misfire, like an injector problem. It wasn't just an injector though. Happy we got it out of there. That truck deserves better. And I cannot wait. But in the meantime, while we're waiting for the motor, I think we're gonna go do some other stuff tomorrow. Potentially just some cosmetic stuff for the dually. I'm not quite sure exactly what yet, but that'll come in the next episode. So I think we're doing that tomorrow. But anyways, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. Up to you. If you do hit that thumbs up, it lets YouTube know that people enjoy it and it gets us out there more. Obviously, we would be nothing without the fans, you guys, and we love each and every one of you. Yeah, I forgot what else I was going to say, but it must not have been important then, right? Hit that subscribe button if you want to follow along with the rest of this build. It's going to be a good one. All right, take care.